Hi everyone, I'm here today with our video on 30 days of user experience questions that I'm answering for you. Today's question comes from Ibrahim, and Ibrahim wants to know, how do you convince your client that you need to talk to their customers? This is a great question because as someone who's run two agencies, it comes up quite a lot. And it can be really hard a lot of the time because the clients that I've worked with always feel confident that they know exactly who their customer is, what their customer needs, and they are able to make decisions about how and why something should be built on behalf of their customers. This can be a really hard challenge to overcome because you have to basically convince them that no, you don't know as much as you think you do. And even if you do know as much as you think you do, we can still find out more talking to people directly. And the best way that I've found to overcome this, which works a lot of the time, though not every time, is to talk amongst the team members and not just among the main stakeholder who hired you, to understand what the current knowledge is across the team about the customers that you are all serving. And so uncovering different assumptions or opinions or priorities can help you make a case for why you need to talk with customers directly to clear some of these issues up. It may be the case that your stakeholder in charge just says, no, do what I say, and that's the way we're going to do things. But a lot of the times, if you do some empathy mapping with different team members, or you have some conversations on an individual basis about who everyone thinks the main customers are and what they need, you can create a really clear case for the fact that there's not team understanding that's shared, and there's a lot of differing opinions about who the main customer is and what they actually want and need and what their struggles are. And so when you have that information, you can say, well, 50% of our team disagrees about this one really crucial point that could lead us in one direction or another. That gives you the foundation for saying, maybe we should talk to our customers about this and find out what they think and find out where they fall so that we're not making a decision that could be wrong because we're so completely split on this. And that helps clients sort of decide to agree or have buy-in to talking to customers. Again, it doesn't always work, but it helps you present a really solid case. The other thing that I've done in the past is sort of unannounced usability testing, where I include usability testing as part of my proposal, but not as a separate line item. It's just part of my design process. And so I will do usability testing whether the client was intending me to or not, so that we do get that feedback. And I don't separate it out and I refuse to remove it from the proposal. Have I lost proposals doing that before? Yes, absolutely. But have I found it really valuable and has the client always appreciated it after the fact? Yes, definitely. And so when you treat usability testing or some other part of talking to customers as part of your process that cannot be removed, you're much more likely to get buy-in from the clients than you would otherwise. And yes, there's the risk that you could lose a project if you don't do those things. But if you're only doing projects and you're only working on things where you don't talk to customers and you're not finding out what people really need and solving real problems, is that the work that you want to be doing anyway? I'm not sure that it is. You can also do some guerrilla usability testing with people that may not be in the direct audience, just to get some feedback and to give some perspective to your clients. Sometimes you can even do those sort of without permission, sort of ask for forgiveness after the fact. But then you have a video to show them about exactly how much people might be struggling with the product that you're working on for this client. And so that's another way that you might find that could be effective in helping clients understand the value and the benefit of talking to customers directly, even if they think they know what they're talking about already. Because nobody gets it 100% right, and there's always new things to learn. And so I hope that's helpful for you. That's the end of my answer for today's question. If you have a question, you can definitely leave it here in the comments, or you can email me at hello@pixelsforhumans.com. I'll see you tomorrow with another answer. Thanks so much. Bye.